brought to you by Rennicks. I would like to demonstrate the properties of two specialized overlaminates. First up is Nikkalite Dewtect dew-resistant sheeting. Dewtect consists of a standard overlaminate coated with a specially formulated hydrophilic layer. This layer is receptive to water droplets such that in dew conditions or in rain, the droplets spread out over the surface of the sign to form an even membrane of water. This membrane has the effect of optimizing sign visibility even in the worst weather. It also has the effect that a plane of water forms on the surface which flows down and off the sign, entirely negating the need for sign cleaning. With Nikkalite Dewtect sheeting, you will have zero cost for sign maintenance due to its self-cleaning properties. Next, I will demonstrate the effects of Nikkalite Anti-Graffiti Protective Overlay. Nikkalite Anti-Graffiti is designed to have a hydrophobic, Teflon-like effect with the addition of fluoride compounds which enhance its durability and resilience. Adhesive flyers or stickers come right off the sign without any effort. It is extremely difficult for any adhesive to form a bond with this surface. This is especially useful in urban areas where advertising flyers and stickers are prevalent. In this instance, removing the sticker from standard overlay removed the entire overlay and print surface beneath. We also conducted a marker test using an oil-based permanent marker. Using dry tissue, it was easy to remove the marks from the surface of the anti-graffiti overlay with little effort. As you can see, it is impossible to remove the marks from the sign with standard overlay. In conclusion, please let us know if you have any questions on Rennicks Dewtect or anti-graffiti overlaminates. In both their fields, they are the gold standard overlaminates for their respective applications. Rennicks has provided these to UK customers for over 20 years, which is why they are the most trusted overlaminates on the market today.